is our second bale of plastic bags. There they are. 93 bags. I was right. Wasn't as many as the last time. Not sure. I hate to call it a tiny little baby bale, but that is not a very big bale. I don't even think it'll be 1,000 pounds. Let's find out. Put it on the scale. Much smaller, less bags, and the bags weren't as heavy. I weighed every 4 bags we dumped in, I weighed 2 bags. And these were definitely lighter than the last ones. I was right. 918 pounds, which is 920. A little bit less than I wanted. I was shooting for 1,000, but these ones were definitely lighter than the first one. But this is we're still new at this. We're still just, you know, it's only the second one, so we still it's a work in progress. It's Chauncey, my bitch. I'm kidding. He ain't my bitch. One of my guys. Oh, look at that. We got Oscar the Grouch. Some people say it's me. Ain't me. We got Oscar though. So this is a pallet of what is called dirty ACRs, which an ACR is an aluminum copper radiator. These are what are in air conditioners, dehumidifiers, water coolers. This is one of the components of an air conditioner. Most of these are they're air conditioners. We don't save water coolers. That's what they look like. Dirty ACR, that's about 640 pounds.